Welcome to next-gen luxury RVs. So what if Range Rover took its already stunning sport SUV and transformed it into an aggressive, street-focused masterpiece that looks ready to dominate both luxury boulevards and supercar gatherings? Meet the 2027 Range Rover Sport SVR Widebody Black and Copper Edition concept. Finished in an ultra-deep gloss black paint with striking copper accents, this concept blends British luxury with aftermarket-inspired performance styling. From its dramatic wide-body stance and oversized forged wheels to its bold aerodynamic kit and premium presence, every angle commands attention. Let's explore every detail of this incredible luxury performance SUV. The front fascia immediately establishes its aggressive personality. A massive gloss black honeycomb grille dominates the front end, framed by a subtle copper outline that adds a premium yet sporty contrast. Slim matrix LED headlights feature signature daytime running lights, creating a sharp and unmistakable visual identity. The custom front bumper is far more aggressive than the standard Range Rover Sport. Large air intakes improve cooling, while the sculpted splitter extends lower to emphasize the SUV's planted stance. Copper accents continue throughout the lower bumper, perfectly complementing the gloss black finish without becoming excessive. The illuminated vertical LED light elements add a futuristic touch while maintaining the elegant Range Rover character. Every surface reflects light beautifully, giving the SUV a premium showroom quality appearance. Moving to the side profile, the transformation becomes even more dramatic. The extended wide-body fender arches create a muscular appearance, giving the SUV proportions usually reserved for high-performance super SUVs. Oversized gloss black forged wheels feature intricate copper highlights that perfectly match the exterior trim. Their enormous diameter fills the wheel arches completely, reinforcing the vehicle's commanding road presence. The lowered suspension reduces unnecessary wheel gap while preserving the sophisticated Range Rover silhouette. Gloss black side mirrors, dark privacy glass, black roof, and extended aerodynamic side skirts complete the premium monochromatic theme. Small copper accents along the fender vents and lower side skirts add visual contrast while maintaining an upscale appearance. This is luxury with unmistakable attitude. At the rear, the design remains clean, elegant, and powerful. Slim LED taillights stretch across the bodywork, while the wide rear stance gives the SUV exceptional visual stability. A performance-inspired rear diffuser integrates seamlessly into the bumper, enhancing the sporty appearance without compromising refinement. The gloss black finish flows continuously across the rear body panels, interrupted only by subtle copper accent lines that reinforce the vehicle's exclusive identity. A roof spoiler extends the profile naturally while improving aerodynamic balance. Everything about the rear design communicates confidence rather than excess. Inside, the cabin remains unmistakably Range Rover. Premium black leather combines with all-contour surfaces, carbon fiber trim, and brushed aluminum accents to create a refined yet performance-focused environment. The fully digital instrument cluster delivers crisp graphics, while the latest floating touchscreen integrates navigation, connectivity, entertainment, and vehicle controls into one elegant interface. Custom ambient lighting subtly illuminates the cabin, creating an atmosphere that feels equally luxurious during both daytime drives and evening journeys. Every control feels precisely positioned, every material feels premium, and every surface reflects meticulous craftsmanship. This is an interior built for long-distance comfort without sacrificing sporting character. Although this is a concept vehicle, its appearance suggests extraordinary performance. Imagine a twin-turbocharged V8 delivering well over 600 horsepower through an advanced all-wheel drive system. Adaptive air suspension keeps the SUV remarkably composed, while active chassis technology provides confident handling through high-speed corners. Large performance brakes hide behind the forged wheels, ready to deliver exceptional stopping power whenever required. Whether cruising through city streets or attacking winding mountain roads, this concept looks engineered to combine luxury refinement with thrilling performance. It represents everything enthusiasts expect from the future of high-performance luxury SUVs. The 2027 Range Rover Sport SVR Widebody Black and Copper Edition concept is more than just a modified SUV. From the gloss black bodywork and copper detailing to its muscular stance and premium craftsmanship, Every element has been carefully designed to create a vehicle that demands attention without sacrificing sophistication. If Range Rover ever introduced a production model inspired by this concept, it would undoubtedly become one of the most desirable luxury performance SUVs on the road.